Hey everyone, Real Estate Ryan here with my newest listing at 50 Chippewa Street, Sault Ste. Marie's West End. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully finished rec room, and a detached double garage. Priced at $339,900, this one won't last long. Let's check it out.